Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a back to school no makeup, minimal makeup look for you guys, and we're going to be jumping right into the tutorial. So for my primer, I'm going in with the Pore Refining Primer from Dr. Brant, and I'm just going to be applying this to the center of my face where I have the enlarged pores or tend to get them, but I'm not going to be applying a primer all over my skin. Next, I'm going in with my NARS this is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this is in the shade Biscuit. This has a little bit of a salmony pink undertone, so I'm actually going to be concealing first under the eyes and then going in the foundation. So I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to be applying this to the dark circles or under my eyes where I tend to get the darkness. I'm also going to be applying this to the sides where I have like a little bit of blemish marks. So for my foundation, I am going to be using the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation, and the reason being is this foundation is super lightweight. It's literally undetectable and just melts right into the skin. You can build it up if you want to, but I like to leave like a nice light layer on the face, and the shade that I'm in is 4WO, which is for Warm Olive. Has a really nice olivey yellow undertone to it. I'm going to be moving on next to bronzer, and for bronzing I'm not going to do something too much. So I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is nice and matte and more of a neutral tone, not to mention smells amazing. Now because I tend to get oily on my T-zone, I am going to be going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Skin Perfection Micro Powder. This is in the shade Medium 2. And I'm just going to be applying this only onto the areas where I get oily, which is basically my T-zone and under the eyes. So for blush, I want something very natural again, something just really with a pop of color. But I'm going for the NYX Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette, and I'm going to be picking up and mixing two shades, which is this pink right here and this corally peachy orange right here. I'm going to be doing a little bit of highlighting, nothing too crazy, and I'm going for the NYX Dose of Dew face gloss. It's basically creamy like a gloss, but it's very sheer. So I'm just going to be picking this up on my finger and applying this just to the tops of my cheeks. And as you can see, it's like a nice glossy finish, so it's just giving me a nice sheen. For the eyes, again, something very simple. I'm going in with my NYX Retractable Brown Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be tight lining. And I'm also applying this to my lash roots, just very close to the lash line. And then just smudging this out with my fingers. I'm picking up this palette from Covergirl. This is the Golden True Naked palette, and I'm going to be going in with this light goldeny shade right here. And just with my finger, I'm going to take it and apply that ever so slightly to the center and blend it out. I just want a little pop of sheen in the center of my eyelids, just like a nice glossy finish, but nothing detectable at all. For my lashes, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Just give them a really nice curl first, because my eyelashes are very straight. Now for brows, I'm actually going to quickly groom them, and I'm going in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade Ash Brown, and I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas, which is normally what I do with my brows anyways. For my lips, I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. And I'm going to top it off with this butter gloss from NYX as well, and this is in the shade Maple Blondie. Alright guys, that's it for this look. It's super quick, perfect for back to school, or if you want to just look put together, going to the office every day, sort of a makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!